Now let's apply the styling for our nav tag. So just type nav and open and close curly brace. So ngayon may papakita ko sa inyong isang website which is called UI Gradients. You can use this para makakuha kayo ng mga colors in hex format. Tsaka may preview din siya. So as you can see, click nyo lang tong show all gradients. May category per color. So as you can see, may mga pangalan din sila. So let's go to the orange category. Then let's use this Sunkiss. So these are the hex color for this gradient. So we will use this for our nav background color. You can use this website, uigradients.com, as your reference para sa mga gradient colors. Now I will show you another website where you can style and create a CSS code for the background color. So let's type CSS gradients and then click on this one, cssgradients.io, gradient.io. And then as you can see dito, pwede mong i-customize yung design ng background mo. Pwede ka maglagay ng colors and yung website na yung magge-generate ng CSS code for you. So, since we will have 2 colors lang, I will delete this one. And then I will copy this hex color and paste it here. So, ngayon nakikita nyo sa preview, nagbago yung color. We'll copy the second hex. Paste it here. So, ito yung gradient natin. So, pwede din dito, kasi gusto ko naka-horizontal yung gradient. So, I'll change it to 180. And, pwede mo rin i-adjust to dito based sa kung anong gusto mo. And, let me see the radial. No, I want the linear gradient only. So, this is the CSS code for that specific style. So, I'll just click on this, copy to clipboard. Then, balik tayo sa brackets and paste the code. Edit, paste, or Control V. So we will have linear gradient background for our nav. So let's check our preview. See, meron na tayong background. Doesn't look good for now. I-fix para natin yan. So let's add more properties for this nav CSS rule. We'll have a border bottom of 3 pixels solid and a color of hash F2 C9 4C. So 3 pixels is kung gaano kakapal yung border sa bottom ng navigation. Solid is yung style ng line at yung color natin na hash F2C94C. Next property is border top, same values, 3 pixels solid, and then same color. Now let's go back to the top and change all our anchor tags. Then add the color property of hash FFF for all the anchor tags. So as you can see, kahit itong si IT Toolbox na word ay anchor yan, hindi siya technically naging white kasi the CSS rule sa line 3 says lahat ng anchor tag ay color white. Pero dito sa line 22, may code na naman na ang color ni H1 sa nav left na ID is F2994A. So at first, ang color ni IT Toolbox is white, pero since nasa baba na code nag-change tayo ng ibang color, yun na yung recent na color niya. Kaya tinawag tong cascading style sheet kasi kung ano yung code na sa taas at may the same code sa baba na affected pa rin yung tag na yun, ang magpe-prevail na code is yung nasa baba. Kaya even if sa line 3 ay may color na white, pero binago natin sa line 22, ang line 22 na color ang mag-i-exist. So now this is our styling for our nav.